Hello, what is up, guys? I'm the Russman. This is Russman's Reviews. It is March 26, 11:08 in the PM. Just got back from work, and I am ready to sit back and relax to a nice little glass of something that I picked up today. This is what I picked up. It's Knob Creek Single Barrel Reserve, aged 9 years, Kentucky Straight Bourbon Whiskey. This is 120 proof. So that's a 60%. So yeah, I'm already a fan of Knob Creek. I have not had this one yet before. This set me back about $50. But yeah, so here we go. I'm just going to have a little taste of it. Got a little wax top thing here. Let's see if I can figure this out. Yes. Success. Alright, get rid of that. Okay, so under the wax, there is a cork. We'll get to it. In there we go, uncorked. Okay, so let's go glass with some ice. Just enough there. It does say crafted for superior taste and smoothness. And 120 proof, is this going to be smooth or is it going to slap me in the face? Let's find out. Cheers. Interesting. So yeah, first sip, I felt the heat in the back of the throat from the high alcohol content, and then it just rounds off super fast, and it is smooth, and has a good lingering aftertaste. Yeah, these, it is tasty. Get the cork back on. It's the toughest cork I've ever dealt with. One last sip here. I'd recommend it. Definitely. Also, to pair it off nicely, brought our friend Cheese and Cracker along. This time, we got Townhouse Pretzel Flip Sides Original. So this is one side's a pretzel and the other side's a cracker. So here we go. Pretzel with cheese. And then it's supposed to be a cracker. Cheese and cracker. That's good. I like how it's got a little pretzel-y taste with a little hint of salt. So nice. I'll have it twice. I'll wash it down. Alright guys, that's all I got for you. Knob Creek, single barrel, aged 9 years, 120 proof. I recommend it. It is will set you back about $50. Yeah, it's good for a couple of sips and put on the shelf. So I enjoyed it. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for stopping by. Have a great day.